The Tomica Nissan GT-R number 94 is a great little model. It strikes a really good balance between playability and realism, which is one of Tomica's strengths. Here's what I personally think makes it stand out. Pros: authentic look. For a 1/64 scale diecast, the proportions of the R35 are surprisingly accurate. It captures the aggressive yet clean lines of the real GT-R. Durability: like most Tomica mainline cars, it's built like a tank, great for both collectors and kids. Working features: if your version has suspension or opening doors, those are fun extras that add value without overcomplicating the design. Paint quality: Tomica often uses rich, glossy paint finishes that hold up well over time. Minor downsides, if any. Wheels: Tomica tends to use the same basic wheel design across many models, so it's not always specific to the GT-R. That can feel a bit generic compared to brands like Hot Wheels that emphasize unique wheels. Simplicity: some collectors may find it a little too minimalist, especially when compared to premium lines like Tomica Limited Vintage or higher detail brands like Tarmac Works. Overall, for a mainline release, the No. 94 GT-R is one of Tomica's best modern JDM castings. It's accessible, fun, and feels very Tomica, which is to say, it's built for both the shelf and the toy box. It's definitely worth having in any diecast collection, especially if you're into Japanese cars.